Annyeonghaseyo everyone, welcome to today's video. As you already know that Korean culture is getting extremely popular nowadays. It could be anything from K-drama, K-pop to K-cuisine. Friends, do you know there has come a big update from Oxford English Dictionary that there are 1650 new words have been included into it, and out of them 17 are Korean words. So in this video we are going to talk about 12 Korean words that have been included in the world's most authentic Oxford English Dictionary. So let's move on. So the first word is aegyo. It is added as an adjective and as a noun. You must have watched lots of K-dramas in which actors and actresses or even K-pop idols are acting in a very cute and adorable manner. Second word is daebak. When some surprising, unexpected thing happens, Korean use this word pretty often.
대박! 대박!
It's like getting a jackpot or something unexpected. Daebak has entered as a noun or as an interjection into Oxford English Dictionary. The third one is fighting. In Korean, it is also written as hwaiteng. It is a word for encouragement or to cheer someone up. The OED definition of this term is in Korea and Korean context, expressing encouragement, excitement or support like go on or go for it.
파이팅!
The fourth word is Hallyu. As we already talked about that Korean culture is getting widely famous through its K-pop and K-dramas, so it is like a Korean wave that is taking over the world into its influence. So Hallyu is also known as Korean wave. The fifth word is hanbok, which is the traditional Korean costume, and Koreans used to wear them in the older times, and they are really colorful and beautiful. In today's modern time, K-pop idols sometimes used to wear modernized version of hanbok for their performances. Nowadays, the letter K is being added with the things that are related to Korean culture. But do you know that it was first used in 1999 when Billboard wrote the word K-pop in an article. So the OED definition of this term is forming nouns related to Korea and its popular culture as K-beauty, K-culture, K-pop, K-food, K-style, etc. The seventh word is Konglese, which means Korean plus English. So when you combine Korean language with English elements, it becomes Konglese. For example, in Korea, bike is called otobai and apartment is called apart. The eighth word is manhwa. Manhwa is the Korean style of comics. Do you know that nowadays webtoon series are getting famous? You can read them online on your smartphones, and you can also buy their physical copies online. Have you read any kind of webtoons? Let me tell you that I have read lot of them, and my most favorite one is True Beauty, which is also a K-drama based on this comic. The ninth word is mukbang. The OED definition of this term is a video, especially one that is live streamed, which features a person eating a large quantity of food and talking to the audience. YouTube is a great way to watch mukbang videos. Korea is extremely famous for its mukbang YouTubers. This word is made from mokta verb, which means to eat, and phang, which means phangsong, means broadcasting. Mukbangs are really fun to watch, especially when you are hungry and lonely. My favorite mukbanger is Zuyang from Korea. She is really adorable. The 10th term is Nuna. Nuna is an addressing term used by Korean males to the female who are older than them.
누나, 저 사실 좋아.
The 11th word is oppa. Just like Nuna, oppa is the term used by Korean females to address a male older than her. This is one of the most famous Korean words.
이거 좀 따주세요, 오빠.
The 12th and last word of this video is skinship. Skinship is something almost entirely unique to Japanese and Koreans. It often surprises people who are exposed to these cultures for the first time. It's like a way to show affection between a parent, a child, friend, or lovers. And this is the proof of popularity of K culture around the world, that these words have made their way in the Oxford English Dictionary. I hope you liked the video. You can tell me in your comments in the comment section down below. And you can like and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get notified whenever I upload a new video on my channel K-Talk. Till then, annyeong!